Okay, so we kind of have like a series of videos about Cusco, and this one we're going to talk about the weather. We're here in July, and
it's cold.
It's pretty cold.
I mean, it's not New York blizzard. It's not New York. What was that thing they called
the bomb cyclone.
The bomb. It's not a bomb cyclone. You're not walking around in snow, but it's chilly. I mean,
it's pretty chilly. It
depends on who you are and where you're from. Like I can tell you right now, it's in the 30s, 40s. I'm okay with a light jacket. Again, I'm from New York. I'm sort of used to that. But there are people walking around with bundled up, hard scarf, gloves, the works. They're freezing. And then there's some people like me, well not like me, more adventurous than me, who are walking around in shorts and t-shirts. So it's July, it's Cusco, but just know that it's cold.
Yeah, so I guess layers would be the best option because the weather changes throughout the day. So in the beginning, it'd probably be 30s, and then kind of in the 50s, and midday, more in the 60s.
Yeah, so I would say if you're coming to Cusco, pack layers. You don't need a winter jacket. Most likely, you don't need a winter jacket. What you need is probably a fleece, or a sweater, or a hoodie, or something that you could throw on. Wear it in the morning when you first leave, but you're easily able to take it off when it gets warmer, because you're at a high altitude. When that sun starts coming down at about noon, 1 o'clock, you're gonna get hot. So layers is the key. And then when the sun goes down, probably around 8:30, 9 o'clock at night, it's cold again. So you're gonna want that hoodie or that sweatshirt or that fleece
spring
or whatever.
jacket, sort of. Yeah.
Or you know what? Go to the local store and buy a poncho. I mean, go local. It makes complete sense now where those things came from and why people have them. So be prepared for cold weather in July in Cusco. It's winter. It is winter for them. So just keep that in mind.
They just celebrated the winter solstice. So yeah, just bear in mind some layers. And
to complicate things more, we're only talking about Cusco. So when you jump on that train or that bus or whatever you're taking over to Machu Picchu and Aguas Calientes and those places, it's warmer. In fact, we were in Machu Picchu today, and you could walk around in a t-shirt. You're completely fine. Granted, in the morning, as anywhere, it's a bit chilly, but by 11 o'clock, even 10 o'clock, I think by 10 a.m., it was hot. You're hot, so keep that in mind. Cusco, you're gonna have to have one set of clothing. For Machu Picchu, for Aguas Calientes, for any one of these other cities or little towns that you're gonna visit, it's going to be a bit warmer.
Yeah, so for Machu Picchu, you may just want to bring sunscreen, and sunglasses, a hat possibly, just to kind of prepare for a long day there.
Yep. And we'll talk more about Machu Picchu in a separate video. A lot to share with you. We're going to have separate videos on how to get to Machu Picchu, how to survive Machu Picchu, where to go, what to look for, a full walkthrough. Hopefully it'll help you guys with your planning the Machu Picchu bucket list trip. Cool. Well, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for watching.